Hey saxophones, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do an ensemble music review for the song Imperial Overture by Anne McGinty. This piece is mostly in 4/4, but that has a couple 3/4 measures sprinkled in, but it also doesn't include too many F sharps. The key signature is a key of C, so that means F will be F natural, unless they tell us to play F sharp, and they will occasionally. So remember, most of the time it's F natural. Let's get started with the piece and let's play the first few measures, the first 9 measures. I've got my metronome set a little bit slower than 120, which is the recommended tempo, but let's give it a try. The first 9 measures. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Great, let's play that much again. 1, 2, beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Those last 2 eighth notes are actually the pickups to the next section of the piece. So let's do them. Pick up to measure 10 and let's play up to measure 17. I'll count you in with 3 beats. I'll say 1, ready, go. Bum, 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 like that. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's some tricky stuff in there. Because of all the notes and we're going up into our highest register, make sure you play your high B flat. And how I'd like you to play that B flat is first finger and first finger. Because the note before it is an F, it's easy to lift those 2 fingers and play your B flat. The highest note is C, and we play C with our C fingering and our octave key. Let's play that pickups to measure 10 again. Ready? I'll give you 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you need more practice, take that section slower. Master the note switching between fingerings and then speed it up and play along again. Now we're going to start in line 4 of our sheet music with those half notes A. We're going to play from there all the way to the next line where it says andante cantibile. Here we go, half notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, A. Rest, rest. Good. In that section, there is an E flat. It's the last note in the line that we started on. The low E flat fingering is 3 fingers, 3 fingers, and then our pinky on the top key right here, E flat. Okay, let's try that section again too. 1, 2, 1, 2, half note A. Rest, rest. And now the piece changes to a slow andante cantible. I'm going to change my metronome and make it slower as well, 72 beats per minute. Let's play the andante cantible section together. It's from this part up until the word allegro con spirito. So it's kind of halfway through line 5, and then it goes halfway through line 7. It starts on the note B. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and ready, go. Now in there, we did get to play one F sharp, but the other Fs were F natural. Make sure you're still playing F naturals unless there's a sharp symbol. Okay? Great, let's play through that section again as well. Here we go. Andante cantible. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, we had an E flat, well, 3 measures before we ended. The half notes are B flat, 2 inside, and E flat, 3 fingers, and the pinky key. But this time it's a high E flat, so you get to use your octave key. Our next section is Allegro con spirito. That means our tempo goes back to the Allegro 120, and I've got mine set a little bit slower. But now we've got an ostinato pattern that a lot of the band has played earlier in the piece. It's our turn to contribute now. Be careful here with your rhythms. You really want to make sure you're playing your quarter notes, eighth notes, and dotted quarter notes in their right spots. Let's practice this section. Allegro con spirito. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Stop. Let's do that again. 1, 2, Allegro con spirito, go. Stop. How did you do? Try it again a few times if you need some more practice with those rhythms. 53 is next, and we're going to go from 53 to 62. We'll get to play some F sharps, or at least one here in this section. 1, 2, 53, ready, go. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Great. The F sharp was the half note. All other Fs are F natural. And now it's time to play the last section of the piece, from 62 to the end. We've got B flat, we've got E flats, and we even have the note D flat in the third to last measure. A D flat is nothing more than a C sharp. So you don't use any finger keys for the D flat. Let's give it a try. 62 to the end. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, go. Great. Let's practice it a second time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 62. And a third time for good luck. 1, 2, 62, ready, play. Now, if you need to work on that section on your own a little bit, go ahead and work it slow. Then go back and try playing all the way through, or try playing along to the music reference track in our band music recordings folder. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.